and today we are in Copeland Creek in Odessa, Florida. Now you may not recognize the name Odessa, but we're really just 30 minutes from downtown Tampa. I happen to actually live just a few minutes away, and we absolutely love this area, and I wanted to show you this adorable boutique community by David Weekley. Today we are in Copeland Creek, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look inside. Come on. Copeland Creek, as I mentioned before, is in Odessa, Florida, but really it is in the Citrus Park neighborhood of Tampa. Houses in this community start in the low 700s, and the square foot range is from just over 2,500 square foot up to 4,157 square foot. The model that we're going to see today is the terraglen. It starts in the high 700s and starts with a minimum square footage of about 2,900. absolutely love about David Weekley Construction is it feels like everything is so well thought out, from the absolutely giant island to all of the incredible storage space. One of my favorite features about this model in specific is there is a pantry right around this corner. It's a giant walk-in pantry. They didn't try and just shove it somewhere where it was going to be small. They gave it to you right around the corner where it can be a really large, useful space. As a mom with starving kids, I feel like, they've got hollow legs or something. They need to be able to grab all their snacks. And so I feel like my pantry personally is never big enough. That wouldn't be a problem here. It's magnificent. One thing that I think is just absolutely so smart that David Weekley did with this model was they gave a little living room space in between what would typically be like the kids' bedrooms. So what a perfect playroom this is, where all of the kids' stuff is not invisibility from the rest of the house. You can have it tucked away, but sometimes they have more toys than what are going to fit in their bedrooms. I just think it's brilliant to have a little nook where they can read books, they can work on crafts, they can have their toys, but it's not like taking up space in your living room where you want it to be beautiful and look a little bit more adult. I just think it's a fantastic idea that they came up with, and David Weekley never stops surprising me. One thing that I love about Copeland Creek is it does not have a CDD like most new construction in the greater Tampa Bay area. CDDs are additional fees that you pay with your property taxes, and a lot of new construction communities have them. Well, Copeland Creek does not. Another few things about this community is I had mentioned earlier in the video, you're about 30 minutes from downtown Tampa. Well, you're about, as a runner myself, a 5-minute run to the Upper Tampa Bay Trail. And that trail does extend for, 9 miles south. So you can run on that trail, you can bike on that trail, walk your dogs on the trail, and it's all right here, very close to this community. I'm Shannon Minsch. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about Copeland Creek, David Weekley, or any other communities here in the Tampa Bay, please reach out to me. I would love to hear from you.